Hello, this is a quick video on how to set up Grayscale on your Android phone. Go to settings, scroll down, go to about phone, and here you gotta click software information and you wanna click build number. You keep tapping and you can see it says you're one tap away from being a developer. So you tap a few times and then it will ask for your password. Allow development settings, okay. And now developer mode has been turned on. What does that mean? You can go back, and you can see this developer options appeared right here. And here you gotta find the setting simulate color space. So it's in here, hardware accelerated rendering section, simulate color space. And you click this one and you can change it to monochromacy. And now your phone is monochrome. So why do this? Well, it roughly reduces phone usage by 40 minutes a day. It will definitely feel weird and irritating at first, but you can quickly get used to it. And for me, after using it for a few weeks and I switched back to color mode, the colors were irritating. Like they actually seemed irritating for me, all the red and stuff. So I recommend you to just stick to it. And one more important thing, your photos are gonna be saved in color. So everything works the same, you just don't see the colors. That's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Have a nice day.